Hello, Weekend Crafter. Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, we are going to make some stamped phone grips. If this is something that interests you, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. First of all, Happy Easter to those who celebrate Easter. I hope you all had a nice break. I have a cousin visiting from Canada and she requested me to make some phone grips for her and her daughters. These are fairly easy to make and perfect for gifting. So first, if you don't have a cutter, you will need to trace the phone grip onto your flattened clay. I usually roll out my clay into the number 5 or 6 setting on my roller. You don't really need to make this thick since the phone grip's top is hard. Next, I just got the scalloped cutter to place a design at the center of the circle. This will frame my design. I have these 3 debossing stamps. I placed some mica on a small tray. Then I pressed my debossing stamp onto a stamp pad to get it a bit moist before I stamp it on the mica. Then I pressed this onto my clay. I repeat this process for the rest of the phone grips. You can stop with this, but I decided to use a dotting tool to put more designs on my piece. Finally, I smoothen around the circle to get off any hanging clay. This then goes into the oven for baking. While these are baking, I get the empty phone grips and sand them a bit to give the clay something to hold on to. This then gets glued to the top part. I wasn't able to show this on cam, but I also did coat this with some Sculpey glaze. And that is it for my very short and easy video. I hope that you learned something from me today. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!